Hello everybody, my name is Michael, I'm the mechanic here at Fabspeed, and today I'm going to show you how to install our Fabspeed GT4 RS over-axle link pipes. So the first step we're going to have to do is remove the rear wheels of the vehicle. They are center locks for the GT4 RS. Thankfully, Porsche includes the special socket to remove them in the front trunk of the vehicle. So the socket's located under this shield right here. It's very easy to remove. We'll lift it up. And included is the specialty socket, as well as the center cap remover. So now that we've got our specialty tools, let's go and pop these bad boys off. First step, use that to pop the center lock off. Using a 3/4 inch wrench, break them loose. They are very tight, so turn the parking brake on, and you should be able to get it loose by yourself. As of right now, this GT4 RS is equipped with our Rencraft modular header system, but the installation process is very similar and still relatively straightforward. So the first step that I like to do is break loose the oxygen sensor with a regular 22mm wrench. So get into the wheel well and disconnect that. With a nice clear field of view of our 3-bolt flange behind the brake rotor, we're going to go and loosen the 313s that go around it. Jim. I prefer to use the 1/4 inch ratchet for this. It's a little slimmer and can give you easier access, especially on this back bolt here. And now moving on to the rear 3-bolt flange, you can access the 2 bottom bolts with just a regular 13mm spanner, and for the top one, just a 1/4 inch ratchet with maybe a 3-inch extension or so, and a 13mm socket. And with all the hardware removed, we're going to go ahead and remove it rearwards out of the vehicle. It can be a bit of a tight squeeze with the factory GPFs, but it is doable without any other further disassembly. Perfect. And now, with both of the factory gaskets still in the vehicle, we can slide in the new Fabspeed over-axle link pipe forwards, reverse of the way that we removed the factory piece. And again, given that this is compact without the GPF, it is a much easier installation process than actually removing it. Now that we have our pipe installed with the O2 sensor tightened and all hardware as well, we can go and put the wheel on. Now for the center lock wheels, there is a special procedure, starting with taking anti-seize and wiping it around the seat of the center lock itself. Now this is a specific anti-seize that's resistant to changing under extreme temperatures, whereas normal anti-seize will expand and contract. This will not, and that will prevent it from backing off. If you don't have any, in a pinch, you can just wipe some off the threads here and use that, but you just want to go around the seat of the center lock. Not too much. And now for the fun part. The torque spec for Porsche center locks is 444 foot-pounds. I just rounded off at 450 for the heck of it. And we're going to go with the parking brake on and the transmission in park. Tighten it till we hear a click, but it's not quite over yet. What we're going to do is then back it off a 1/4 turn and then retorque it. So we're going to back it off a 1/4 turn, 90 degrees. That's 90. And then retighten it again. Now you'll notice on the final tightening sequence, the center lock actually rotates more than the 90 degrees that you backed it off. That shows that the wheel's fully seated against the hub. So yeah, after that, throw your cover on, wipe off the anti-seize, and you're ready to enjoy your new Fabspeed products. Thank you for choosing Fabspeed, and we'll see you out there on the road.